Welcome to a new episode of Top Electric. Today we're going to see mountain ice blocks travel through the river valley. In these cold countries, winter reigns for half of the year, for 6 months, strangling us with its cold. But then every April, something bizarre and strange happens. The cold kingdom and its terrible rule is overcome by something greater, spring and its warm sun. It shines upon the ice that now covers the river, and slowly the ice gives way to its liquid form, breaking into many little chunks, little pieces that now float across the river. To see this incredible sight was my goal as I hopped onto my e-bike. Midlife Electric is run by someone who is passionate about two things: electric vehicles and mental wellness. What a bizarre juxtaposition, I know. What do e-bikes and mental health have anything to do with each other? Well, as someone who dealt with depression hard for most of his 20s, buying my first e-scooter, a Hybel S2 Pro, was sort of my first step towards peace. The simple toy changed my life. I strongly believe humans thrive outdoors. Anyways, now we're getting to the best parts of the video, so I'll let you guys watch in peace. Once again, thank you for watching these videos and wishing the best for you all. If you're enjoying this content, do join our list of subscribers and hit the bell for notifications when our next journey or review is released. Goodbye for now.